Okay, we are back with medieval shorts. Now then, that's fun, but let's see what we can find out. Let's talk to this guy. Good day, I'm Ray Stanford, the eldest son of the Stanford family. And Judge Richard Morgan Stanford. Mr. Ray, can you give me information relating to this case of the boy? I'm afraid I can't. I never actually talked to the boy, so I don't really have an opinion of him. Do you think he might be the criminal? The book was kept secret from all sides. I don't know where the book was, or it was hidden, but I wouldn't be surprised if the mother had secretly kept tabs on us and made the boy do it instead. That's a serious accusation. You asked my opinion on that, I'll give it to you. The rest is in your hands, Mr. Hart. Thank you for your help. That doesn't seem like you have anything for the case. I better look elsewhere. Yeah. Excuse me, can you help me tell me anything about this boy Evans? My name is Stephen Stanford. Thank you for asking. So, I must have had my hands full at the moment. Nobody wants to get on me. In fact, people make fun of me and beat me up for my money. I never had a girlfriend. How old are you? 32 years old. I'm the second son of this, and third child of this family. That's how pathetic. Can you tell me anything you know about the boy? Didn't strike me as a bad kid. He always sitting with my niece and listening to stories that Grandpa told them. What's your opinion of this case? I don't think the book was of any use to the boy since he cannot read. If he stole it, he was probably trying to steal. Yeah, the boy can't read? Yes. Because of his bad health, he couldn't go to school. My father or my niece would read him stories. That's helpful. Thank you, Mr. Stevens. Please, too worry. I'm dying of hunger here. You're not going to do anything to the boy. You cannot trust him about him. Yeah, I see. Now then, let's talk to her. Miss Lily, ask around, and I know that you were also here on last night. I was. Was it dead to leave my daughter alone? She has nothing to do with this case. Actually, ma'am, the boy couldn't have entered here without her help. She opened the window for him. What? That's preposterous. He doesn't have the physical ability to pull this on his own. Besides, he couldn't have stolen the book. And why is that? He can't read. How can someone steal a book in a thousand books that look the same? Good, that might be true, but what does my daughter have to do with this case? Your father-in-law was reading stories. Good, there was a story that was left unfinished. They sneaked in to read the rest of it. Since the boy can't read, it's obvious who would read him that. Lily, is this true? Lily, you have to tell her, otherwise your friend will go to a bad place. I'm so sorry, Mom. It was on my idea. I told him we could read the story, and I let him through the window. My word! We took the book from the top right room and read it from the same room. Then Uncle Howard came in. I panicked and ran to the door. Howard jumped out the window. I barely passed Uncle Howard and escaped. But there he is, Howard. I was going to tell him with his bad attitude. What would happen if the thief caught you? I'm so sorry, Mom. I wanted to read the panda story. Didn't you manage to finish? You managed to finish the story? No, Mom. I left it on the table where the drunk officer is sitting on Grandpa's chair. Forget about him. You really did a brave thing for telling me this. Let's finish the story when it's done, okay? Okay. Okay. I see. Now then, I think that's all I could get. What about this Howard fellow? Yeah, I found lipstick in the top. In fact, the last time I was sure it was 12 years ago. That's it. I'm following this conversation I can't. Thank you, ma'am. My name is Denise Trevor. I'm Dr. Howard Trevor. Don't bother. I barely know anything about this. I don't really care about it either. All I know is that my husband hates the boy because he is poor. See, I'll get back to him with more info. Yeah, what about you? Howard Trevor is my name. Can we talk about the boy instead? That little bug has always been annoying. Why do you think that? I'm pretty sure the mother is thinking the boy in front of my wife, so we will adopt him. We really don't have our own kids, so my wife is really desperate for him, and the mother knows it. She probably thinks the boy German won't work on it. Because they both decided to steal a valuable book instead. Do you have any proper proof or evidence to support this? I'm afraid not, but I would like to appreciate if you take this information seriously. I'll see what I can do. And we don't. Now then, let's take a look around. Oh, look, it's you. That's interesting. What is it? Oh, that's including the windows. You see here. Windows? It seems to have then the sunlight will pass through the window. But look careful, the sunlight is being blocked by something there. Alright, well, you think something above room was moved? Yeah. But if you find it yourself, and having me help you like the baby you are. Yeah. And you thought you were pretending to be a friend there to me. Yeah. His wall's cracked and you know it. I wonder if it's trouble with the thief. This is where the bullets were hidden. I wonder how the thief knew about it. He was worth of blood. And the hell was just on the wall. That's weird. But the floor cracked too. That's right below. I can check. This is a sledgehammer. It's really heavy because I found out just to pass the wall. Okay? Even my clothes got dusty. Took long enough to find it, eh? Found it, it seems. I came here, but I kept it there to see how skilled you were in investigating. How did I fare? You got a 0. Okay? Yeah, that's right, you'll be eaten alive, kid. Yeah, I think I need to pick up the pace. I might have a grandma king uniform too. There's Emma. Found the book was very fun, right? So why don't you say before coming here I never even heard of it. Okay, so we're doing a good job buying it. Now the book was done by someone new. Okay. A-hole. I talked to family members. The book, I never saw it, so it never existed for me. So why were here? It was very valuable, maybe so, but it's not like the old man would sell the thing anyway. No point in thinking about it. You know, that they'll take away that bite from our life and so I can find love and peace. It's very gold. Yes. I don't care much about it. My father was devastated, so didn't really show it. Don't have to much with the boy. I hope he gets through it. I see. I'll get back in tomorrow. Not much. Nothing requiring it. That's a bug without Mr. Stanford's permission. Do you know anything they can do to put in the air? I'm no expert, but anyone the other. I mean, there's a library. So he's only books. So I got my whole thing. Okay, I'm going to right here. But first, well then, I'll see you in the next one. So peace out.